Go home happy with the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.